think he's the first one to discover this territory and stake it out as his own.
What do you imagine he might have done had he lived beyond the age of 28?
It's the inevitable question that one can't help but ask, and fully understanding that there's no answer to it. It's impossible to say. If he had followed his best instincts and impulses as an artist, if he hadn't been crushed by poverty, assuming that he was still on his feet, assuming that his vision hadn't been corrupted, what he was going towards is writing in the first person, which is something he really didn't do. Except there's a piece that he wrote.